Hey, what's up you guys? I'm going to do another video showing you how to correctly put down some dealer must remove plastic mats, and especially plastic mats that won't stick. First video on this wasn't too great. I'll go through it in a little more detail, show you how it's done. This plastic mat, and it's sticking a little, but as soon as it gives a little bit of real push, it's just taking off. It's not staying put at all. Okay, and then this is what you end up with. It's not a nice, neat, tidy look, which is the whole point of this in the first place. So let me show you what to do. Get your terry towel, get your lacquer thinner or 99% alcohol, and douse the towel. Okay, be liberal with it. You're gonna just clean the carpet a little bit anyway. And then I'm gonna go at it, pressing relatively stiffly, and scrub the top surface down of whatever silicone or dressing or whatever's gotten on there to cause this to not want to stick. Because that's the only reason it wouldn't, is there's something on there. So I've already pulled up some dirt. Now for my final pass, I'm gonna put a nice pattern in it, because why not? You can see it through the plastic. So you're gonna go up, just like you're vacuuming. And when you stand back, you got a nice pattern in it. Yeah, I got some white specks, so what? They'll probably come up with the plastic mat. Now I'm gonna crank the heater on, hot, on the feet, and give this thing, I don't know, 2 minutes or something like that. We'll come back and check it out. All right, got it in, sticking perfectly. Well, a little loose right there, but I haven't really installed it yet, so yeah. I'll show you how we install it. So when you get to your pleats, you slice them with the razor blade and tuck it nice like a Christmas present. Because the more surface that you have stuck down correctly, the better this thing's gonna stay put. So I'm gonna do that and show you what it looks like. That's good enough, probably. There you go. I'm not looking for 100% adhesion. I'm looking for 90 to 97. And I'll take 100, but you're gonna always have little spots like this, or the edge that's gonna flap. But I'd rather have this flap shedding the water out of the car and the mud. Then, you know, my buddy, he wraps them underneath the mat, which is also a nice look. Go ahead and do that real quick so you can get that. There you go. You could wrap all the edges if you want. This is how I do it. I live in a wet area, as you may have noticed. So there you go. If you follow those steps, you're gonna lay plastic like a pro, even in the rain and wind like me. All right, guys. Talk to you later.